You've been looking at one of the most exotic vines that we have today. This is Malabar Spinach red stem. There are two different kinds of Malabar spinach. One is red stem and the other is green stem, sometimes also called white stem. The Malabar spinach that you want, if you are raising it for ornamental purposes, is absolutely the Malabar spinach red stem. As you can see, this is a gorgeous ornamental. Malabar spinach is native to what they call tropical Asia, and specifically in this case, India, Sri Lanka, and Indonesia. It is what's known as a tender perennial, which means that it's probably semi-hardy in hardiness zones starting 7 to 10. In 7, I would mulch it to protect it from the frosts. But as some of the other vines we are discussing in this video, you can take the Malabar spinach inside, protect it like in an unheated garage for the winter, and it should come back in the fall. The vines themselves will grow to probably a maximum of 10 feet. This vine is very, very old. It was grown, we believe, throughout Asia for probably before Christ. It was first mentioned in the literature in Europe in 1691. I know I've already said this once in this video, it is breathtakingly beautiful. If you take a look at the top of this arbor, these pinkish green things are the flowers, which then morph into these beautiful dark bluish black or purplish black berries. Now, the berries are not edible, but in certain parts of Asia, they make a beautiful dye, and that's what the vine was originally raised for, is a deep purple dye. The other thing that you can notice, if we move down this arbor, are these magnificent leaves. Look at the coloring in these leaves. It takes your breath away. The berries either form along a stem, this is a lovely example here, or they can form in a cluster, like this cluster here. This particular group of vines, and there are 4 of them here, are being grown in a 14-inch diameter pot. You can grow up to 6 of these plants in a 14-inch diameter pot. Sometimes the better option is to grow 3 vines in a 10 to 12-inch pot. So take a long look at this beautiful vine. It makes a glorious ornamental and is very exotic. This is Malabar spinach. Remember, red stem. If you have enjoyed this video, please come to our website, www.harvesting-history.com, where you can purchase heirloom, non-GMO vegetables, flowers, and herbs. Please like, subscribe, and share with your friends our channel. On the left side of your screen, there is our most recent video,
And on the right side of your screen is one of our playlists. We are Harvesting History, Seeding the Future.